Welcome. If you're looking to take control of your Telegram group and stop the group owner, including yourself, from adding new users on Telegram web using your PC, you're in the right place. With the latest Telegram update, it's easier than ever to manage who can add members to your group. Here's a clear, step-by-step guide to help you secure your group and prevent unwanted additions. First, open Telegram web on your PC and log in to your account. Once you're in, head over to the group where you are the owner. You'll see your list of chats on the left. Just click on the group you want to manage. Next, at the top of the chat window, click on the group's name. This will open the group's information page, where you can see all the details and settings for your group. Look for the edit icon. It usually looks like a pencil or a small gear, near the top right corner, and click on it. This will take you into the group's settings menu. Now find and select the administrator's option from the menu. Here, you'll see a list of all admins, including yourself as the owner. Click on your name or the owner label to access your specific permissions. Inside the owner's permissions, look for the Add Users option. By default, this might be enabled, allowing the owner to add new members. To prevent anyone, including yourself as the owner, from adding users, simply disable the Add Users permission. This is usually done by toggling a switch or unchecking a box next to the option. Once you've disabled Add Users, make sure to click Save to apply your changes. Telegram will update the group's settings, and from now on, no one, including the group owner, will be able to add new members unless you change this setting again. That's it. With these easy steps, you've taken full control over who can join your Telegram group via Telegram web on your PC. Keeping your group secure and free from unwanted additions is now just a few clicks away. Thanks for watching, and enjoy a more private and organized Telegram group experience.